Hello guys, got another repair here to do tonight. This one's on a realistic 421A. The radio has no receive, no transmit. The display would come on, modulation light would come on, yeah, so she has issues. So we're going to take our time here now tonight. We're going to go through this one. So far, I found a couple of problems with this radio so far. Just get you up to speed here a little bit. So basically, the first thing I found with the radio was it had a burnt out trace. Right here, burned off. So I jumped that with this red wire. Now once I made this connection, tried to turn the radio on, then it was only one humongous short circuit. So so I disconnected the red wire again to figure out what side of the board the short was coming from. So I disconnected this side and I checked the continuity between ground and the trace here, the circuit. The front of the radio was fine, and I checked this side and I was getting a short circuit. So short circuit was coming from the back end of the radio. So I traced it down. So I was getting short across this line here. Alright. And what ended up causing the short here was a diode was shorted out, which was this one right there. This feller. Let me see if we figure out what he is, eh? What is this one? One R, 1G something. But anyways, so I tried the continuity across that diode on both directions, and this diode is showing a short dead across it. So basically the diode turned into a piece of wire. So once I remove this diode from the circuit, then the short circuit went away on the main part of the board. So that's where we are right now. I just got to replace this here diode with another one, and we'll go from there. I took out this MB3712 just to make sure the short wasn't coming off of that, but it was off of that diode. So let's put a new diode in there and solder in that chip and see what happens. Okay, so I replaced the diode back here. I reinstalled the IC chip here. The trace is now jumped where it was burned off. Radio turns on, as you can see. Radio has audio. Squelch works. A&L works. Test 1 2 1 2. And she transmits. Yeah, she's gonna kill her off. Power. 4 watts. Modulation. Test 1 2. 1 2 3 1 2. Audio. Audio. 1 2. So, have a working radio. TRC 421A. And I guess the only thing that happened to this that I can figure is she was hooked up backwards. the polarity was reversed. Anywho, hope you enjoyed the video. Short and sweet. Short and sweet, but yeah. Main thing, she works. Anyway guys, all the best. Minus 63. Is Rena 63 out.